Sometimes, when I look into the skies, I wonder how long have birds actually known they can save energy by flying together? Nature is so clever. Sharing each other's wakes to make flying easier, retrieving lost energy in the updraft of the bird in front.
Some people might think making this a reality for aircraft would be impossible, but we like a challenge. Compared to birds, there are big differences in the way aircraft could do wake energy retrieval. But it has already been proven on paper long ago that this can be a very powerful way to reduce aviation emissions. Our industry has a duty to reduce its environmental footprint. And for that, Airbus is willing to push the boundaries to make the impossible possible.
When I was asked to do our first flight test to check the feasibility, I was very curious about what we would find. The flight was very exciting, the aircraft handled smoothly. The fuel burn impact was obvious. We saw instantaneous reductions of more than 10%. We found a suitable spot a few kilometers behind the lead aircraft with good passenger comfort levels.
It's easy to see pairs of planes flying close together. There must be so many possibilities ready for the taking. We like to see it a bit like car sharing, but for planes. Airlines collaborating in a way that makes it possible to share their wakes. Now we're dealing with concrete steps to make this a reality. How can we make it both safe and practical for airline operations? How can we bring planes together? We'll certainly need industry-wide collaboration to make this a reality.
The ATM world is rolling out new technologies for airspace management to create capacity and to reduce emissions. We are convinced we can find a safe way to make this new kind of operation a reality within this trend if we work together.
Let's change together the skies of tomorrow. Let's fly the future of aerospace today.